How to recover deleted call history on iPhone. Recovering deleted call history on an iPhone can be a bit tricky, but there are a few methods you can try. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside the Settings app, all you have to do is tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. Once you tap on your name, then scroll down and tap on the iCloud option available there. Inside iCloud, scroll down and tap on the Save to iCloud option available. And inside Save to iCloud, make sure that your contacts and phone switch is toggled on. If it is toggled off, then it cannot back up the deleted call history. Now scroll down again and tap on the iCloud backup. Then you can see backup now option available. Then simply back it up. This method will restore your entire iPhone to the state it was in when the backup was made. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.